Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm wearing this outfit because, I'm just going to the lagoon. And before we go there, I would like to share a topic with you, which is very common. Alam ko maraming makaka-relate. Bakit kaya minsan kapag naging honest ka about your weakness or pain, bigla na lang nagiging joke yun sa mga friends mo or sa kagrupo mo? Yung tipong nag-open up ka because you thought safe space sila. Then later on, maririnig mo na lang na ginagamit na pala yon as a side comments, subtle joke, or topic kapag wala ka. And honestly, masakit yon. Kasi trust is a very sensitive thing. Hindi lahat ng tinatawag mo na friends marunong magdala ng vulnerability ng isang tao or ng ibang tao or ng kaibigan mo. Some people listen not to understand you, be careful, but to collect information they can later use against you. Grabe. Kaya mapapansin mo minsan habang tumatagal, paulit-ulit yung cycle. Paulit-ulit yung little jokes. Ay, joke lang yun. May hidden insults. Disguise as biruan lang. Biro lang yun, friend. May moments na parang kailangan may isang taong mababa, mag-feeling down, para lang yung isang taong pabida-bida ay magmukhang mataas. And that's when you slowly realize not every circle deserves access to your inner world. Yung tipong they will not use your pain or secrets as a topic with their husbands or other people or another set group of friends or group of friends. 'Di ba? Nakakasakit kapag ganun yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi minsan dumadaan sa panaginip mo or nakikita mo ito through discernment. Sometimes your spirit already feels the disrespect before your mind fully accepts it. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is quietly disappear. Hindi dahil mahina ka, but because you finally respect your peace. And it's enough to walk away. Hindi mo kailangang piliin ang sarili mo sa isang grupo or sa mga kaibigan para lang masabi na marami kang friends. Even one or two genuine people is enough kung yun ay tipong safe space mo, kung saan yung mga secrets mo are safe, kung saan yung pain ay hindi ginagawang entertainment behind your back or kahit harap-harapan. Kasi real friends protect your weakness, not expose it. Habang maaga pa, before you invest more emotions, more trust, more love, and more pieces of yourself, learn to observe people carefully. And always remember, peace is far more valuable than fake friendships. That's my topic for today. Bye for now and see you next time. Enjoy your day. Mwah. God bless.